Hi girls, it's Miss Page here. Happy Monday. I just want to give everybody a shout out for their awesome work that they're showing in fractions. Our knowledge is really starting to grow, which is super exciting, and I want us to keep up the good work this week. Today we're on Module 5, Lesson 15. And our target is I can place any fraction on a number line with endpoints 0 and 1. All right, let's get started. So the first fraction I'm going to put up on the board here is 2/6. Okay? Now remember 2/6 can be written like this. Also, 2 parts that are being counted for, 6 equal parts in the whole. All right? And let's look at this. 6 equal parts. All right? And 2 of these parts are being counted for. So I'm going to shade them in. Okay? And then let's create our number bonds. All right? So we have 1, and we know that 1 is the same as 6, 6. Okay, if all of these were shaded, that would be one whole. If I have 6 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. If 6 were shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then the whole part would be shaded. Okay? So our shaded part, we have 2/6, and our non-shaded part makes up the rest of our whole, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are not shaded. Okay, so 2/6 are shaded, and 4/6 are not shaded. And together, 2/6 and 4/6 makes up our whole shape. Okay, our whole part. So let's have a look at this on our number line, because that's our focus for today. Okay, so our number line always starts at 0. There's nothing there, okay, at our end point. Okay, and in this lesson we're working with just one whole. So 1 is the end. This is our whole part. Okay, 0 is the same as 0, 6. If we did not have any 6, we would have 0. Our whole part is 6/6. You have 6 parts counted for to make up your whole part. Okay? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. So that means I need to put 6 equal parts on my number line. Now remember, to put 6 equal parts in there, I need 5 lines. You need one less line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6. Okay, each part represents 1/6, like our unit fractions, and we have 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to make up our whole. Okay, so 0, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, and 5/6. And one whole, which is the same as 6/6. Let's label 2/6 on our number line, 1/6, 2/6, right in there. Okay? So 2/6, 2 parts are being counted for, 6 parts in our whole. 2 parts are shaded, those parts are being counted for, 6 equal parts in our whole. This is very similar to our number line. This is 0 at the beginning, and this is our one whole up here. We know that to make up one whole, you need 2/6 and you need 4/6. This part is shaded, and this part is not shaded. Both these parts together make up our whole part. Again, on our number line, we working between 0 and 1. That was our I can statement. 0 is the same as 0/6. One whole is the same as 6/6. You need 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. Each part represents a 6. So 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, 6 6, which is the same as 1 whole. All right. Today we are on lesson 15. All our lessons on Zern start with number gym and they end with Tower of Power. Please make sure you're completing the full lesson on Zern. Have a great day.